Loving you, na scam. Loving you, na scam.
1604end.com.
Smith your banks. Okay. Every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. So I call no show, get you.
I'm advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough never just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in today. If you don't already know, I'm Okeke Jennifer, a Nigerian-based YouTuber. I'm actually based in Abuja, Nigeria, and if it's your first time stopping by, like your first time seeing my face, please go ahead and click the subscribe button below and join the family. So today's video is all about this beautiful, gorgeous wig, Pixie-Cut. So it's actually sent to me by AFSISTERWIG. I'm going to leave all the details in the description box below in case if you are interested. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I laid the wig, and if you like the end result, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and share to friends and family. And like I said before, subscribe if you haven't. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. The hair was shipped through FedEx and delivery was very fast. It took about 7 to 10 working days. You guys already know that this is one of my favorite company, and the hair came in this beautiful box. Just unboxing it with you guys. This is the wig. The hair texture is very beautiful, and inside of the box I found this a black band and a wig comb. Firstly, this came as a full lace wig, as you guys can see, and it has 2 combs by the side and 1 comb at the back, as well as 2 elastic strands. First, I'm wearing this stocking cap on my head so that it will protect my hair from the lace glue, and since I did not bleach the knot of the lace wig, I'm using it to make the lace wig look natural. I'm taking this got2b free spray and I'm spraying it like where my hairline stop, and just take my fingers to spread the product where I actually want the wig cap to be, and then allow it to dry. And to help me dry it faster, I'm using a mini hand dryer on a very low heat to help dry it up. Once it's dry, I'm using these scissors to cut off the excess stocking cap, starting from the middle part of my forehead down to the sides of my head. And then once I'm done cutting off the excess stocking cap, I'm just going in with this shade of my powder to apply it on my head. The reason is so that the wig will look very natural, and I'm applying it with a brush. Right now, I'm just wearing and placing the wig on my head just to know how it feels. See how natural this hair is. I just like the full lace wig. It's so beautiful. So I'm arranging the wig to see how it fits on my head, using the comb to style it out. So now I'm just using the hair clips to clip the hair out of the way so I can cut the excess lace in front, and I also cut the excess lace at the back off camera. Now I'm applying got2b glue on the parameters of my hair where I actually want the lace wig to be. Now I'm spraying got2b free spray so that the got2b glue can dry faster. Using this mini dryer on a low heat just to quicken the drying. Now I'm just taking my time to apply the lace wig gently on my head, just where I apply the got2b glue, and as I'm applying it, I'm adding little pressure and pressing it down with a metal. Okay, now that the hair is all dry, I'm just going to proceed to styling. Time for the baby hairs. What I'm just doing is using a tail comb to bring out just little section or tiny section of the front, and then using a razor to cut off that part. And then use some got2b glue and just make some baby hairs. So now I'm just wrapping the hair so that I can go ahead to do my makeup off camera. So now that I'm done doing my makeup, like I said before, I did it off camera, and I'm just taking off the hair clips, combing and arranging it to my styling. That's the wig. So yeah, this is the final look. All the details of the hair will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, share to friends and family, and give this video a big thumbs up. I'll talk to you guys in another video. Bye.
Loving you, na scam. Loving you, na scam. Loving you, na scam.
1604end.com.
Major banks. Okay. Every time, why am I money? Hello, baby, have you sent it? You don't even know what you do to me. So, if I call, show, you be